Hey everyone, want to upload media to Runway ML? In this video, I'll show you how to add images and videos to Runway ML for AI editing and generation step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign in to your account and open your dashboard. Next, create a new project or open an existing project where you want to use your media files. Now find the *upload ** option in your workspace and select the image or video files you want to add. Choose the files from your computer and wait while Runway ML uploads and processes them. Using high-quality media files usually helps create better AI results. Next, check your uploaded media library and make sure your files are available for your project. You can now use your uploaded images or videos with different AI tools, such as image to video, video editing, background removal, object removal, or other creative features. Before generating or editing, review your media and make any adjustments needed, such as cropping or selecting the correct file. Finally, organize your uploaded assets so you can easily find and reuse them in future Runway ML projects. And that's how to upload media to Runway ML. By adding your own images and videos, you can create more personalized AI content and use Runway ML's tools more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.